Hi, in this video we're going to talk about chord inversion and how much they are important to you to practice every single day. So my name is Marine and welcome to Online Rock Lessons. Chord inversion are so important to master because this is exactly what we're going to use when we play our favorite songs. Alright, so let's start with the C major chord. If you want to know more about creating major and minor chord, make sure you watch my video on creating minor chords. You can find it in the description just below. Alright, let's go back to the C major chord. So we have C, E, and G. The first, the third, and the fifth note of the major scale. The first note is always the one telling us the name of the chord. So C, C major chord. That easy. Now this is the root position for that reason. So because the root is going to be on the bottom, so we call it the root position. But I can change the order, and this is where we're going to talk about chord inversion. So if I take the C and I just put it on the top here, we get E, G, and C. And this is the first inversion. Still a C major chord though. Remember that. It's always the same chord. We just change the order of the notes. So E, G, and C. And the second inversion, we do the same thing. We take the E on the bottom, put it on the top here, and we get G, C, and E. And this would be the second chord inversion. And back to the root position. So it would be root position, first inversion, second inversion, and root position. And if you get more notes in the chord, you're gonna have more inversion. For example, C major 7 like this, we have 4 notes, so we get 4 inversion. Like this. Each note is gonna have an inversion. All right, let's try it from F major. So we have F, A, and C. Same note, I take the F and put it on the top here, and we get A, C, and F, the first inversion of F major. Second inversion, starting on C, like this, and we get the second inversion here, and back to the root position. What about D major? D major would be D, F sharp, and A, so we need to remember the F sharp. So D, root position, first inversion, and second inversion, back to root position. Alright now, so why do we want to learn the chord inversion so much? It's just because when we play the songs, we don't want to be playing only root position chord because it's not melodic. So we want to be able to play one chord to the other without changing the whole hand on the piano. Let me show you an example. So if I start on C major, this is the root position. I go to A minor, root position. I gotta jump all the way here, and to F, all the way here, and to G, all the way here. But now, if I use chord inversion, it will look like this. C major, I could go to A minor right here. Instead of jumping, it's right here. And then we go to F right here, and maybe G right here. So it's like this. So you can hear that it makes more sense. We can hear melody between the chords and we don't have to jump that far to change chord. Alright now, so how can we practice these? So I have 2 ways to do that for you. First one, very easy. We're just gonna be playing the whole chord just like earlier. So take the C major chord, and then we do the first inversion, second inversion, back to root position. And you could do that on 2, 3, 4 octaves, as many as you want. And then you go back down, just like this. There you go. And then you pick another one, like F major. Root, first inversion, second inversion, back to root, and you go back. And what about A minor? Because These works on any chord, major, minor, minor flat 5, name it. All the chord inversion are gonna work. So A minor, we have the root position, first inversion, second inversion, root position, and back. So this is the first one. The second one is very similar, but we're gonna break every note. So instead of playing all the notes together, we're gonna be playing one after the other. So C, E, G. And then we start on E, G, and C. And then G, C, E. And there you go. And you can do the whole piano like this. And you go back down when you're ready. There. And starting from F, or A minor, there you go. So now you understand why it is so important to master all the chord inversion. So make sure you practice it every single day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to never miss a new video. And visit our website at onlinerocklessons.com to see all about the memberships and the courses. So have fun and have a good practice.